137 divided by 2. Here 2 is a divisor, so we need multiplication table of 2. 2 times 0 0, 2 times 1 2, 2 times 2 4, 2 times 3 6, 2 times 4 8. To find out the multiplication table of 2, just add with the previous step. 0 plus 2 2, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 2 12, 12 plus 2 14. This process will continue. 2 goes into 1 how many times? 0 times, as 1 is less than 2. 0 times 2 0, subtract 1, bring down the next digit. 2 goes into 13 how many times? 7 times 14, which is greater, so 6 times. 6 times 2 12, subtract 1, bring down the next digit. 2 goes into 17 how many times? 9 times, which is 18, greater, right? So 8 times. 8 times 2, 16, subtract, you are getting 1. So your answer is 68, remainder 1. But if you want to write your answer in decimal form, then take here decimal, add number of zeros, bring down the first zero. Before the zero there is a decimal. Decimal must come to the quotient directly. 2 goes into 10 how many times? 2 goes into 10 5 times. 5 times 2 10, subtract 0. As our remainder is 0, we are done. So our answer is 68.5.